Why do so many people eat healthy, try to lose weight, and still feel exhausted every day?
Most people believe energy and weight loss comes down to basically discipline.
Yep, eat less, move more, and basically try harder.
hmm That's what we've all been told to do, or we've seen people do. You don't even realize it's climbing until one day you're like, why is my clothes not fitting?
It really does. Like, well, God, I put on 30, 40 pounds. And then it really hits you harder when you get home and you lose your patience, you snap at your family or your kids and just kind of bad mood.
Yep. So you all think that these health trends were basically nothing but going in the wrong direction, right?
They're going, yeah, and health and energy declines, health goes in the wrong direction. And so really we got to think about it. It's like, what if the real problem isn't truly the motivation working hard? What if
Well,
it's something different that's causing the problem?
please share with us.
What if, like, seriously, what if, like, everyday foods are quietly draining your energy and sabotaging your fat loss?
You mean the hidden stuff that's in the food that everyday food people are eating?
Yeah, everyday foods that we're eating that we think healthy or think are good for us.
All right.
And perhaps that's the reason why we're not losing weight and we all don't have the energy.
So, now, what makes you qualified to talk about this?
Well, I'm a doctor, but the thing is I'm a doctor who's lived on the fringe of the whole medical system. I've been through my ups and downs, and I had to go outside the system to really figure out how to live a healthier lifestyle. I lost, my gosh, 80 pounds,
Mm-hmm.
now up to 300 pounds nearly.
Mm-hmm.
I know you're a great clinician in a sense, coaching and nutrition.
I'm a certified nutritarian coach, but I've also applied these principles to my own life, and I have been eating this way for a while now, and even got you on board.
Yeah,
And
just
it's not
kickstart
only
me.
helped lose weight, but feeling great.
And I think through all of our experiences and the medical knowledge and going through the ups and downs and realizing what truly does work, we built this whole model about the Vital Five as a framework to restore the energy systems and just bring health back to life. And part of that is losing weight.
Yes.
And what if we keep doing the same stuff? And what does it come down to? Is what they try. I mean, we got to cut some calories.
Yep, I've heard that one. You got to cut back calories. You have to avoid, I'm sorry, not avoid, but you have to basically do more workouts, right? More intense
Harder.
workout, especially HIIT. I'm not against HIIT training, but we got to do more, right? Work out for an hour, 2 hours a day, 6 days, 7 days a week,
Not the answer.
and really go crazy, kill yourself, which
Yeah.
basically for some people that does even more harm than good, right?
Yep.
Drink more caffeine. That's another one, right?
Got to get my caffeine fixed just to get the juices going when I get out of bed, or I can't function.
And my favorite, let's try this diet. How about that diet? I'm on this diet. I started my new diet today.
Now, all the diets that are still currently, there's like rehash of diets from 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. I just had a different name. There's nothing really new under the sun. If it didn't work then, it's not going to work now.
Correct.
know.
Or people rely on supplements.
Yep. Or another little quick fixes, band-aid, some hacks.
Everybody has been so conditioned to think there's a pill for the ill. I don't want to take medication, but I will take a supplement because it's not as bad.
And those things, I think if you take a step back and look at it, the reality that hits you is that you can do all that stuff, energy still crashes. Your hunger still stays high. The weight loss,
Not happening.
it's not happening. And the fatigue, it continues.
And it's just a snowball effect with everything, right? It affects your relationships. It affects your work life. It affects everything around you.
You're right. You said a pill for every ill. We're so conditioned, and our system is based upon putting a band-aid on a symptom. But the thing is that they never tell you that the body runs on systems, like a car or a computer. If one system's off, the tire drive system is off, the car is not running. So you got to improve the overall systems of the body and put it in balance and harmony.